Hi guys, right now we're going to park uphill with a curb. So let's approach the parking spot. Show your right turn signal. You have to get pretty close to the curb, so approximately 5 to 10 centimeters away from it. So once you get close enough, before you stop, turn your steering wheel to the left, all the way to the left. So now the car has been held by the brake. Release brakes and let the car roll backwards slowly. So you can see that now it has touched, like the front right wheel has touched the curb. This is very important because it won't let the car roll backwards into the traffic in case if your brakes fail or something else happens. So after you've done that, turn off the vehicle, engage your parking brake, and put the car in the first gear. Again, all these is important for your road test. So now you can see the car is not going anywhere. You have three things holding the car now: the curb, the parking brake, and the car is in the first gear. In case of automatic car, you have to put it in park. To leave from the spot, you have to do the following. First of all, press the brake pedal and press the clutch all the way. The car is already in the first gear. That's how we left it when we parked. So when this is done, start the car, release the handbrake. So the steering wheel is already turned to the left. So the car will start going left when we actually start moving. Next thing you have to do is you have to check your mirror. Check your mirror. Right now it is snowy outside. So another thing you can do when this happens, just open your window so you could see. Check your mirror, do a shoulder check. Nobody there. So now we can start. So you may have to give it a little bit more gas than usual because we're on the hill. And turn the steering wheel to the right. And off we go, basically, that's it.